Namaskar friends, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. Kids love birthday celebrations. In fact, age is no barrier. A birthday party at home is always fun for everyone. We look forward to games, dance, laughter and yummy snacks. While it is always great to join as a guest, but if you are hosting, it certainly needs some planning. Recently, we celebrated our son's birthday at home. It was so amazing to see kids enjoying their time. In today's video, I will talk about 8 simple points to organize a kid's birthday party at home. Idea is to simplify the arrangements and not to stress out on complexities. Enjoying a fun-filled day is the number one priority. Let's get started. Kids enjoy theme-based celebrations based on cartoons, characters, or topics that they are growing with. By choosing a theme, it immediately levels up the fun factor, especially at home gatherings. Some popular themes are action heroes, unicorns, princess, colors, etc. My son wanted to go with the rainbow theme for his special day. It's easier to decide the decorations and cake based on that theme. It is perfectly okay to celebrate without a theme as well. Don't be under pressure for perfect decoration or dress codes. Decide a budget that is comfortable with your regular expenses and affordable. Key components for home-based gathering will be decoration, cake, food menu and return gifts. We decided to go for DIY decor and homemade food, which really cut down our party expenses. Our main expenses were towards useful return gifts, gift wraps and theme-based cake. Do sit down with your child and make a list of his friends. An accurate head count can ease your planning in terms of quantity that you need to be ready with. Planning of seating, games, etc. also become easier. Invitation needs to be sent out well in time so that planning is more precise based on confirmations. These days, e-invites are common and easy to make. Canva app can help you make customized e-invitations. Decoration can switch on the festive mood. There is plenty of variety available for decorations: balloons, streamers, confetti, birthday banners, ribbons, hats, etc. We kept the decor accustomed to our rainbow theme. I created most of the decor at home. Like I made paper chains with 7 rainbow color papers to make a rainbow on the wall. With the same 7 rainbow colored papers, I made paper fan DIY decor. Made a few more with only 2-3 colors. I ordered some balloon combo packs online. In this you get balloons, pump, balloon arch tape, glue tape and ribbons. I already had this electric balloon pump which is very useful for birthday parties. It helps inflate a large number of balloons in no time. So with all this DIY decor and balloons, we decorated our dining room wall and entrance. Making DIY decorations can save you some money and let you get creative with your theme. If you are short on time, you may opt for decorations available in the market. We also made a photo booth with this cardboard which came along with an appliance. We made windows in that and gave a look of rustic house by painting it with brick color. It was a fun family activity which we really enjoyed. We also made a rainbow and clouds as per the party theme and attached them on the top. And this is how our decoration looked like. It was a simple DIY decor according to the rainbow theme. Curating and planning a food menu beforehand can be so much relief for your last-minute chef inside you. It's easy to set a menu. Figure out how many portions you need according to your guest list. We decided to go for margarita pizza, red sauce pasta, garlic bread, French fries, popcorn and some chips. All the food items were prepared at home. Well-fed kids are indeed happy kids. For sweet savors, we customized a rainbow-themed cake for our son, which was made by a home baker mommy. Cake itself was a real icing in terms of decoration and taste.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
For return gifts, one can choose some toys, candies, books, etc. Schools are about to open and we decided for lunch boxes with stainless steel inner. Gift wrapping presents a personal touch. You can also choose gift bags if planning to give 2-3 different items. For wrapping gifts, I ordered these wrapping papers online which look like notebooks. They have different colors and prints of wrapping papers folded inside. These wrapping paper books are easy to store also. I really like the concept and quality of paper and prints is great. I also ordered these thank you message stickers to place it on the return gifts. Wrapping all the gifts was again a fun-filled family activity which we really enjoyed. Birthday games spurs up a party. To make the event more fun with kids, prepare some activities and games to keep them entertained. There are plenty of party games to choose from. But before deciding on which games to pick, we need to consider the age group and make sure the games are suitable for them. It is also important to choose games that are designed for a group of children to play. Don't forget to keep some extra gifts, chocolates or candies to reward the winners.
Snowman!
Snowman! Good! Good!
Yes!
Music and a small dance session is also a fun activity in a birthday party. Kids love that for sure. Taking good photos of an event can be hectic but eventually comes out to be a good addition to the memory lane. Our DIY photo booth helped us click some really fun and memorable pictures. Kids really had fun clicking pictures here. Each kid is different and likes to do things in a certain way. Birthday parties are a way of adding a personal touch. Being a parent, adding our own element becomes the highlight of the party. Organizing a fun and enjoyable party comes with simple planning. We must have plenty of energy intact to play and enjoy with kids rather than getting bogged down by sudden rise in workload. And that's all about this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next Saturday. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.